up, guys? I'm gonna be showing you how I clean my makeup brushes. This is the best way, to be honest. I mean, one go around and you're good. It cleans all of it out. If you want to see it, just keep on watching. Okay guys, so we're just going to get the makeup brush wet and we're going to swirl it around in the Zote soap. Swirl it around good. Then we're going to take it on our mat here and swirl it around out from under the water. Then under the water. It's real easy, y'all. It's real easy. And squeeze it out. I did want to mention that if you're using regular eyeshadow, that it will come out. If you're using pigments, sometimes 2 or 3 times is what it takes to get that out. Now, with big brushes like so, big face brushes, you got to make sure it's really, really, really wet. And you're going to want to hold your bar of soap because it makes a huge mess. Trust me, a huge mess. Look at all that nasty. And I really only use my face brushes for like powders and stuff. I use beauty blenders to apply foundation. So yep, same thing here. The face brushes are a little bit harder to do than the eyeshadow brushes. Eyeshadow brushes are cake. Also, sometimes you do have to do these big face brushes more than once to get all the way down in there. Also, you can wash your beauty blenders the same exact way. That's what I do. I wash mine every day before I use it. Your skin will thank you, I promise. My brushes, it really depends. When I'm doing makeup every day, I wash my makeup brushes like once a week. If I don't do my makeup every day, which during this quarantine hasn't really been happening all that often, but when I do, I kind of wait until they look like they need to be washed. Here's a trick, alright? You want to get as much of that water out as possible. So just spin the brush in between your hands and get as much of that water out of that brush as possible. What you want to do is hang up your brushes upside down. Upside down. Down. You don't want the water to get into the handles of the brush and it gets moldy and mildewy and gross. Your brush will have to get thrown away. So hang them upside down. If they have 2 sides, leave them alone.